took its take off yet.
Yeah.
It's all about that headwind. I thought you were going to try and throw the glider with the jet, and I thought this would be good. Oh, really?
We may seem crazy, but we're not that crazy.
Hey, it's a possibility now. Now that you mention it.
Yeah, I know. I'd actually be considerate.
Low pass.
So, Ethan, what do you think?
So goddamn sexy.
Yeah.
Okay, now that I put weight in the back, it flies so nice. This is Air Canada Jazz, and now they're calling it Air Canada Connection or something. Something gay, not cool as like Jazz. Touch and go.
Yeah, way too fast. It's good to carry in some air. You'll notice that he's landing. The nose is at the proper descent angle. Do you hear that? Sounds like one of your motors is slowing down.
Feels fine trim-wise.
All right.
Landing. Yeah, I'm down in a minute. What I should have done is add a spoiler on each side.
Bring it to idle, listen. You're only on one motor.
Okay, dude, I'm almost out of battery. Oh.
Dude, careful.
I know, I'm almost out of battery, dude. I have to bring it in quick. Yeah, I can't drop this into like a rock. Oh.
Yep. Yeah, whoa! Right aileron in the crosswind, dude.
Alright, landing from the left. That was...
I also blame it on pilot error. All right, let me know when. You gonna do another pass?
Yeah.
Okay, I'd do one more and then I probably wouldn't want to push it.
Yeah, sure.
Last time we almost didn't get it back. Ladies and gentlemen,
There's
a little
no
pass from the left with no
That's a glide, it's not bad. Or it is like a rock though, because we're going so fast. So. Watch that wind. You got about one go around, that's it.
Whoa!
Shit!